Today we'll talk about how can you enable ongoing notifications on your workouts notifications on your Samsung Ultra. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, you just click here on my page down here. So when you click here on my page, it's going to take us to this list. Then all you have to do, you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for us a list like this. Then all you have to do, you just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, you just click here on notifications. So then it's going to take us to this list here. Then all you have to do, just come here to ongoing workouts, click in this sign here. So then like you see here, this color show for us here, that's main ongoing workouts, it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.